In a peaceful forest, where the sun shone bright and the leaves whispered secrets, there lived a little bird named Junco. Junco was small and unassuming, but she had a heart full of dreams. One day, Junco found a strange, shiny object among the fallen leaves. It was a small acorn, unlike any she had ever seen. It sparkled with a radiant glow, and Junco was drawn to it. She picked up the acorn and held it close to her heart. This must be something magical, she thought. But as she held it, she felt a strange warmth spreading through her. The next day, Junco woke up feeling different. She could fly higher than she ever had before, her songs were more beautiful, and she felt a newfound confidence. The acorn had given her a gift. Word spread about Junco's new abilities, and animals from far and wide came to see her. They marveled at her flight and her enchanting songs. But Junco knew the acorn's secret and kept it to herself. However, as time passed, Junco's newfound abilities began to fade. She noticed that her flight was not as high, her songs were not as beautiful, and she was not as confident. The acorn had given her a temporary power, but it was not meant to last. One day, an old owl visited Junco. "I have heard of your magical acorn," he said. "But I must warn you, such powers are not meant for a little bird like you. They can bring you fame, but they can also cause great harm." Junco looked at the acorn in her hand, and she realized the truth in the old owl's words. She had been blinded by the allure of power, and it had nearly cost her true gifts. From that day on, Junco learned to appreciate her ordinary self. She understood that her small size and simple songs were not flaws, but rather, they were part of her unique charm. She learned that true power comes not from temporary gifts, but from within. And so, Junco became wiser, and her songs became even more beautiful. She taught other animals the lessons she had learned, and they too learned to appreciate their own unique gifts. And the moral of the tale is, never let temporary power blind you from the true sources of your strength. The real magic lies within you.